We've sent the code to your other Telegram device fix. Now sometimes let's say you're trying to log into Telegram from a new device or maybe from the same device. Then when you enter your phone number, instead of sending the code on your SMS, Telegram says that we've sent the code to your other Telegram device. Now in this particular scenario, this says because your Telegram account Telegram can detect is also logged in on other devices. Maybe it's your tablet, maybe it's a computer, maybe it's on your web browser, but somewhere your account is still logged in, or maybe you did not log out from the same device before and maybe uninstalled and reinstalled it, and Telegram thinks that you are still logged in on the other device. Now if you have the other device where your Telegram account is still logged in, so you can log into your Telegram account from any device and you'll find the code from Telegram. So normally you will receive a code from Telegram, so it will be like this. So Telegram themselves will send you the code within the Telegram app, so you can verify that. But if not, you'll find the option to resend it via SMS on that particular page, and you can also choose to send by SMS. And this way you can basically fix the sent code to your other device on Telegram. Hope this video helped you out. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.